So you guys know I drink iced black coffee all day, every day. I get it from Panera usually, and I'm gonna give it a whirl and tell you my very real opinion. Hello my fellow fasting friends. I am trying out the Mr. Coffee iced coffee maker today. Not only am I going to test out the plain black coffee using the Mr. Coffee iced coffee maker, you guys know I drink iced coffee all the time, so it'll be a good test. I'm also going to use the iced coffee made from this to make a sugary sweet window worthy iced coffee later. So stay tuned, see both of them. I'll share my fall recipe with you guys and we'll see if this is worth the buy. I definitely think this looks like a great Christmas gift for people. If you have a coffee lover, it is moderately priced. $30 is a good gift range in my opinion, and something of value if it works well. So let's see. I'm going to time it. I'll tell you guys how long it takes to make just a single black iced coffee. And then I'm going to share with you a window-worthy fall version of an iced coffee that I make right here at home. I do not have any coffee beans right now. Sad story. Otherwise I'd grind it fresh. But I'm going to use the Aldi breakfast blend. It says 1 to 2 cups depending on how strong you like it, or 1 to 2 scoops, and I like it strong, so I'm going to do 2 scoops. So that's a lot of coffee for an iced coffee. Fill up ice to the ice line. So I'm using the instructions here. They also have a really nice simple graphic that you can peel off the top when you start. Measure water, add water to base, add filter and grounds, ice, start. So pretty simple. There is a water line on your cup, but since I wanted to get ice, I just use a pitcher here. I'm just filling it to the water line. There's a max fill. There we go. Then you put on basket. You want to make sure it's on. Then you add your basket. I have my 2 scoops in there again, 1 or 2, depending on how much you want. Put it underneath here. Close the lid. Start. I forgot I was going to start a timer, so we'll start now. It's maybe been going 20 seconds. We'll see. I'll report back. Oh, it's already coming out. This is actually really quick to start. While that continues to brew, I'm going to share with you they have a Torani iced coffee recipe book. I'm definitely going to be using some tips as I make a window worthy, something I have in my eating window coffee when I'm not drinking plain black. I'm going to be making a nice fall one using these recipes as inspiration. You guys can see I'm huge Torani fans. But I did just get this maple bourbon pecan EM. So I can see this is running out of steam. Still going. Just shy of 3 minutes so far. Ooh, shift device. So it's just ending. If you need to close it, you can shut this slider, watch. And it stops your drip. It'll just hold it in there. But obviously I'm gonna keep going. And you can see this is just over 3 minutes. I definitely agree that it takes between 3 and 4 minutes for this to go. It's definitely done, and I'm at 3 minutes and 20 seconds here, which would put it under 4 minutes. So you guys know I drink iced black coffee all day, every day. I get it from Panera usually, and I'm gonna give it a whirl and tell you my very real opinion. That's strong. Very strong. I definitely did not need 2 full scoops of coffee, so I will be doing 1 scoop next time and then playing with somewhere in the middle. But this is definitely gonna be a good base when I want to have iced coffee with a half a cup of cream or half and half, or milk or oat milk or whatever you add, and the sweeteners. It'll still be very strong for that coffee flavor. It almost has like an espresso strength to it right now, which I find impressive. But if I were drinking it black like this, 2 scoops is too much for me, but I'm impressed with how strong it is. I actually did 2 scoops because I didn't expect it to actually be strong, and I think it's pretty good. So I will definitely drink this, but I look forward to making a sweet one, and I'll share that with you now. Now that I'm within my eating window, I'm going to make a sweet iced coffee. I'm not going to make one exactly as they have listed, but I'm going to use the caramel pumpkin pie as my inspiration. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of 2% milk. I'm using mostly 2% milk and then some heavy cream that's kind of like a homemade half and half. I always love watching it go down, the swirl. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons maple pecan and 2 tablespoons salted caramel, both sugar-free. If you don't have pumps for your syrups, they're so nice. I love these. I'll link them below on Amazon. You can also buy the syrups on Amazon. I just don't have a pump for the maple because I have too many other flavors open right now, but I needed to get on a fall flavor. So there we are, and I'm gonna give this a nice stir. And just because I want mine to look a little lighter, I'm adding 1 more little splash of cream. And since it's in my eating window, I don't count calories, I don't count anything, so I'm not worried about the few extra calories of adding more cream. I fast for a reason. And now I have a wonderful window-worthy iced coffee here at home. Most of the day I spend having black coffee or iced water or sparkling plain water, but when I open my eating window, all is fair game, and I absolutely love having a sweet coffee like this one. Perfect fall flavors. It has caramel and maple and absolutely delicious, definitely window worthy, and I actually think that I really like this iced coffee maker much more than I thought I would. Less than 4 minutes, a wonderful iced coffee. Can't beat it. If you drink coffee like me all day, every day within your fast, and you want to see the coffees that I drink regularly, you can check out this video right here. Also, if you want to see another delicious coffee recipe, I'm going to share with you a coconut latte that I absolutely love to make. I have friends that visit, and when they come over in the summer, they ask me to make this for them. It's using my Ninja coffee bar, but you could still use this machine. Thank you so much for checking out these videos. Ciao down and ciao.